If you've ever opened a spreadsheet someone else built and thought, I have no idea what any of this is doing, this video is going to save you about 4 hours a week. Because Excel just got an AI that doesn't replace your spreadsheet, it works inside it, right next to your data, on the file you already have. No exporting, no copying pasting into a chatbot, no flipping between windows. This is Claude in Excel, and I'm going to show you 4 things it does that feels borderline insane. Stick around to the end, because the 4th one fixes the error every single one of us has rage quit over. So let's get right into it. Quick context first, because this part matters. Claude lives in a side panel right next to your data. You hit Ctrl-Alt-C on Windows or Ctrl-Option-C on Mac, and it opens. It can read your entire workbook, every tab, every nested formula, every dependency across sheets. And here's the key thing. It cites the exact cells it's talking about, so you can always check its work instead of just trusting it. And nothing happens to your file unless you approve it first. It's not going off and silently rewriting your model. You stay in control the whole time. Okay, demo 1. Watch this. I'm clicking on a formula I did not right. Nested ifs, a couple of lookups, the works. The kind of thing that takes 20 minutes to reverse engineer and a fresh cup of coffee. Instead, I just ask, walk me through what the formula in cell H24 is doing in plain English, and there it is. It breaks the formula down step by step, tells me what each piece is actually checking, and points the exact cells feeding into it. That's the part that matters. It's not guessing from thin air, it's reading my workbook. If you've ever inherited a model from someone who left the company and took all their secrets with them, this alone is worth the install. Now let's make it build something. I've got monthly revenue here, and I want to project the next year out at 4% growth. Build a 12-month revenue projection from these monthly figures using a 4% growth rate. Notice it shows me exactly what it's about to do before it touches anything. I approve, and it writes real working formulas straight into the sheet. Not flat pasted numbers, actual live formulas I can tweak. So if I change that growth rate from 4% to 6%, the whole projection updates instantly. That's the difference between an AI that talks about your spreadsheet and one that actually works in it. Charts next. Normally this is a 5-minute detour through 3 different menus and a chart wizard that fights you the whole way. Instead, one line. Build a column chart of quarterly revenue and add a trend line. And there it is. Quarterly revenue, column chart, trend line sitting right on the top. Done. Because it already understands the structure of my data, I didn't have to select a single range. If your boss walks over and wants a visual in the next 10 seconds, this is how you look like a genius. And finally, the one we all dread, the hashtag ref error. Something got deleted, a reference broke somewhere, and now your model is bleeding red and you have no idea where it started. So I just ask it why. Why cell J12 returning hashtag ref, and how do I fix it? And it traces why the reference broke, explains it to me in plain English, and offers the fix. I approve it, and the error is gone. No frantic Googling, no undo spiral, no rebuilding half your sheet from memory. Just fix. So that's 4 things. Explain any formula, build projections from scratch, chart your data in one line, and kill errors on the spot, all without ever leaving Excel, and without it touching your file behind your back. Honestly, this changes what a normal afternoon in a spreadsheet even looks like. With that being said, if any of this saved you some time, do me a favor and hit the like and subscribe button. I post one of these every single week. See you next time.